The Hadzabe. At the break of dawn, the natural sounds of the forest gradually softened, accompanied by a gentle morning breeze. The Hadzabe village was calm, except for the faint sounds of preparation for the day's hunt. The men of the tribe, renowned for their hunting and gathering lifestyle, had already begun getting ready for an important expedition. Elder Juma, the leader of the hunting group, stood in the middle of a small circle of hunters, clapping his hands rhythmically to motivate his companions. Today, we are hunting a big antelope. We must bring enough meat for our families, he declared firmly. The others responded with confident voices, yes. They carried their hunting tools, handmade arrows crafted from sturdy makoma wooden spears with sharp stone tips. Each hunter ensured their bowstrings were taut, and the poison made from plant roots was carefully applied to the arrowheads. Journey to the hills. The group of 5 men set out on their journey, walking slowly along a narrow path winding through giant baobab trees and thorny bushes. Their eyes were sharp, scanning for signs of animals that had passed during the night. Hoofprints left on the soil gave them hope. A large antelope was nearby. When they reached the small hills, they began climbing silently. Elder Juma stopped them occasionally to listen for any unusual sounds. At one point, the faint crack of breaking twigs was heard. Everyone crouched, lifting their weapons in readiness for any encounter. Catching the big antelope. After several hours of patience, they spotted a herd of antelopes grazing on a flat plain within the hills. Elder Juma motioned with his hand, signaling the hunters to surround the herd carefully. They moved stealthily, closing in to a striking distance. Finally, Elder Juma gave the final signal. 2 arrows coated with poison were skillfully shot, one hitting a large antelope squarely. The startled animal leaped in panic and started running, but the poison quickly took effect, and its steps grew weaker. Shortly after, it collapsed. The hunters approached cautiously, ensuring the animal was completely subdued. Cheers of joy filled the air. They tied the antelope to a large wooden frame for carrying. It was tough work, but they knew their victory was vital for the survival of their community. Returning to the village. As they returned to the village, women and children came out to greet them with cheers. Their faces lit up with smiles, knowing fresh meat was on its way to the table. The men placed the antelope in the middle of the village, and the process of skinning and portioning began immediately. That evening, the entire village gathered around a large fire, eating and singing joyfully. Stories of the hunt were shared, with Elder Juma receiving praise for his wise leadership. As the night fell, laughter and celebration filled the air, strengthening the bond of the Hadzabe community, which relied on their ancestral knowledge for daily survival.